Hey, welcome to another video. I just wanted to hop on real quick just to let y'all know that there's gonna be some changes to the channel, particularly in what's gonna be uploaded. Now, this is not to say that the tutorial series is gonna come to an end. I'm just saying that there's gonna be additional content that's gonna be uploaded sporadically every once in a while. So Wednesdays are going to be reserved for tutorial content and anything educational such as explanation and demonstration videos as well. And then not on Sundays, not on Tuesdays or Thursdays either, but Monday, Friday, or Saturday, I'm going to start uploading devlogs because I noticed that I have a lot more free time than what I thought I would have, and I have already started creating some things. So I just wanted to let you know that at some point in the future there are gonna be devlogs, but not gonna be anytime soon because I plan on releasing a full compiled video. So all the things that I document as I go through the process of creating different assets, those will be documented, and then only once the thing is finished, then I'll compile everything into a video and then upload that as a devlog video. So for example, say I'm working on the main menu level, all the assets and the lighting and any kind of 3D objects that's going to be involved in there. Then I will go through the process of creating everything, documenting it, and then compiling it into a video and then uploading the process from start to finish. And when I say finish, I mean when I've ticked it off the to-do list to say that the main menu level is now complete, it's in its final form. This is what's going to be in the game. That's what the player is actually going to see. Also, another reason as to why I happen to have so much free time on my hands at the moment is because most of the code that's going to be used in the game is the same code that's going to be used in the tutorial series. Since the game is supposed to be based on tutorial series and the tutorial series is based on the base project that I created initially, I have about most of the code done. It's not the cleanest code. And what I mean by that is like there's like a whole bunch of unnecessary code in the functions, on the event ticks, and on the event begin play, in the event group. There's like a whole bunch of access code that was used to create the final version of the code that's gonna be in the tutorial series, but I never deleted any of that code. I just kind of moved it around, maybe added a couple comments just to be like, don't use this code or for debug purposes only, things of those nature. So it's just extra things that are just there, but the code is mostly in its final form. It just needs to be tidied up and made to look organized. But because most of the code is already there, I don't have to worry about actually having to code anything because I already have a base for the game to work off of. So all I have to do now is just personalize the base project. So because now it exists in just a base version where it's pretty bland, it only uses the assets that come with Unreal Engine and nothing that has been custom made for the game. But all I have to do now is just kind of personalize it and create additional 3D assets for it. But the code is there already. So instead of trying to create a new project and then just replicate the code, I'm just gonna trim the access code that exists. All of the unused code is also going to be removed, and then I have a working foundation. So that's one less thing to do also. So that is what I'm planning on doing. It's going to be very sporadic. There's no schedule to it because it's going to be things I'm going to be doing in my spare time, and I will be prioritizing content for Wednesday, which are the tutorial videos. Those will be high priority, and then everything else will just be like when I have time on like the weekend or whenever I'll be doing those things. Yeah, I just wanted to come on, let you all know about that, and until the next video.